Hello friends! We replaced the high-capacity battery for iPhone 12 today. Battery health is 77%. Let's test the airtightness of the phone before repairing it. Make sure that the phone has the original, waterproof and dustproof performance before repairing it. This phone is no leaky. Unscrew the bottom screw. We put the phone in the screen removal fixture. Then put in heated display removal fixture. Start heating. Start tearing apart the screen. We use a crowbar to assist and slowly turn the top knob. Now that the screen is on, start to separate the screen and body. Remove the screws for protective cover. Protect phone camera with stickers. Then we clean up the remaining waterproof glue. Clean up the remaining waterproof glue around the screen. We use alcohol and a spudger to pry open the battery. Clean up residual battery glue. Cleanup completed. Let's remove the battery cable. Prepare the battery for welding. Now let's wrap this cable up. Using the old original battery can also make the phone pop up. The purpose is to let the mobile phone pop up a reminder, and then clear the memory of the previous battery. Start installing the battery. Put in battery press to pressurize. Apply waterproof glue. Put it into display adhesive press to keep the pressure. Now let's install the screen. Tighten the cover screw. Add screw glue to the screw. Next, carry out a second hold. Hold pressure completed. We test the airtightness of mobile phones after maintenance. The phone regains its waterproof performance. Don't forget to unscrew the bottom screw of the phone. To transplant the batteries of iPhone 11 and above models, you need to charge the phone for an extra hour after the phone is fully charged. Then use automatic shutdown, so cycle back and forth 3 to 5 times. We clean up the remaining waterproof glue. Cleanup completed. Install the vibration module. And speaker. Install the official original battery. Put it into the battery press machine for pressing. Press the battery back and forth 3 times. Remove the battery protection plate. Start installing the bracket and protective cover plate. Paste the original waterproof glue. Next, we clean up the waterproof glue around the screen. Start installing the battery. Put the phone into the battery press. Press the battery back and forth 3 times. Now let's install the screen. Next, we will paste the original waterproof glue on it. We peel off the first protective film of waterproof glue. Now we start installing screen. Plug in the screen cable and earpiece cable. Install the protective cover. Let's put some screw glue on the screw. Prevent loosening of screws. The same screws need to be filled with some screw glue. We screw with a torque screwdriver. We peel off the last protective film of waterproof glue. Cover screen. We need to press the phone once. Hold pressure completed. Screw on the bottom screw. We are testing the airtightness of the phone. Because the phone is old, the phone does not restore the original airtightness. Let's check the health of the battery. The battery health of this phone is back to 100%. Let's clean up the dust on the handset net and speaker net, and the dust inside the charging port. Next, we put a tempered glass on the phone.